Hello dear student, today we will start the words problem, and this words problem is based on the fraction. Okay, now we'll start from the one by one example. Now the first example is what? First of all, read the example carefully. Ram ate 18 toffees out of 25. What is the fraction of toffee he ate? Now see, first of all, your example is what? Here will be Ram ate 18 toffees out of the 25. It means that the total number of toffees is what? 25. Okay, it means that the total number of toffee is what? 25. Total number of toffee is our 25, is our given condition. Okay, now what is the fraction of toffees he ate? Now see what is the fraction. Okay, it means that you have to use the numerator and the denominator. Okay, what is the numerator and denominator? Now see, Ram ate 18 toffees out of 25. The total number of toffees is what? 25. This is our 25. Out of the 25 toffees, here will be Ram, here will be 18 toffees, these are 8. Okay, it means that your answer is what? 18 upon 25. Okay, it means the fraction of the given example is what? Here will be 18 upon 25. Here will be 18 divided by 25, because out of the 25 toffees, here will be Ram 18 toffees is our 8. Okay, it means that the fraction of the given example is our 18 upon 25. Here will be 18 is a numerator and the 25 is a denominator. Okay, now same way we have to solve the second one example. In a class of 35 boys, okay, 21 boys like to play hockey. Okay, what is the fraction of the boys like to play hockey? Now see, in a class of 35 boys, the total number of boys is what? 35. Total number of boys is at 35. Okay, out of the 35 boys, 21 boys like to play hockey. What is the fraction of the boys like to play hockey? Okay, now see, the total number of boys is at 35. Out of the 35 boys, here will be 21 like to play hockey. It means that here will be 35 is a denominator. You have to write down the denominator is at 35. Okay, out of the 35 boys, there will be 21 boys like to play hockey. It means that they will be used at 21. Okay, it means that fraction of the given example is what? 21 upon 35. Here will be 21 is the numerator and 35 is the denominator. Okay, now next one example, example number 3. There are 20 shirts. A quarter of them is yellow. How many shirts are yellow and how many are not? First of all, read the example carefully. There are 20 shirts. Total number of shirts is given. This is our 20. Quarter of them is yellow. The first one, the meaning of the quarter. The meaning of the quarter, it means what? 1/4 part. Okay. First of all, there are 20 shirts. How to write it? There are 20 shirts. Out of the 20 shirts, quarter of them is yellow. The meaning of the quarter, it means what? The meaning of the quarter. The meaning of the quarter is what? 1/4. 1/4 part. Okay. A quarter of them is yellow. How many shirts are yellow and how many shirts are not yellow? Okay, it means that first of all we have to find how many shirts is yellow. First of all, see the quarter them is 1/4. Okay, this is our 1/4 multiplied by 2. Okay, because of 4 1 yeah 1 4 5 yeah 20, we get the answer is what 5. It means that quarter of them is a yellow. So how many shirts is are yellow? There are 20 shirts is are yellow. 20, not 20, because the total number of shirts is what 20. Okay, quarter of them is are yellow. This is our what 5 shirts. 5 shirts is a yellow. Out of the 5 shirts is a yellow. Okay, and then you have to find out how many shirts is or not. Okay, there are the total number of shirts is 20. Out of the 20 shirts, 5 shirts is a yellow. You have to subtract it 5. Definitely your answer will become in 15. Okay, it means that your answer is what? Out of the 20 shirts, the 5 shirts is a yellow. Okay, and this is the 15 shirts are not yellow. It means that there will be 15 shirts are not yellow. Are not yellow. Okay, this is our way we have to solve this words problem. Actually, this words problem is based on the fraction. It means there are 20 shirts is given to you. Quarter of them is yellow. The meaning of the quarter is what 1/4 part. Out of the 20 is a 1/4 part is definitely 5. And you have to find how many shirts is not yellow. It means that here will be 20. You have to subtract it 5. Definitely your answer will be coming 15. Okay. It means that here will be 50 shirts are not yellow. This is our final answer. Now let's start from the next one example. Example number 4. In a class of the 56 students is present. Now, if the 3/4 part of them is girls, and how many boys is present? Now see first of all the words problem, and this words problem has in a class is a 56 student. Total number of students is given to you. This is our 56 is present, and a 3/4 of them is girls. Okay. First of all, we have to write down the total number of students. Total number of students. The total number of students is 56. This is our 56. This is the total number of students is 56. Is present. 3/4 of them is girls. And then how many boys is present? 3/4 of them is girls. It means that here will be 3/4 multiplied by what? This is multiplied by what? 56. This is our 56. Now we have to solve it. 56 divided by 4. We have to solve it. We have to solve this 56 divided by 4. This is our 4. This is our 4 1 4. This is our 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is our 1. And this is our 6 is also come here because of 4 4 ja 4 4 ja 16. This is our remainder is 0. It means that 56 divided by 4, your answer is for 14. Now see, you have to solve this equation. Here will be 3 multiplied by 14. This is our 4 1 ja 4 4. This is our 14 times 3 multiplied by 14. This is our 3 multiplied by 14. Your answer is what? 42. Okay. It means that 3/4 of them is girls. But then how many boys multiplied by 4? This is our 3 multiplied by 4. Definitely your answer will become. This is our 42. Okay. Now see. We have to find that 3/4 of them is girls. Your answer is for 42. But next question is what? Find how many boys is present. Okay. How many boys is present? First of all, the total number of students is what? 56. We have to write down the 56. Okay. and the number of girls is already find out. This is our 42. Okay, so simple subtraction. Okay, you have to separate it. Okay, this is our what? Here will be 6 minus 2 is what? 4, and the 5 minus 4 is what? 1. This is our 14. It means that your correct answer is what? 14. In a class of 56 students, first of all, you have to write down the total number of students is what? 56. 3/4 of them is are girls. Then you have to find out the 3/4 of 56. Definitely you have to use the division method. Is actually so simple example. Okay, this is our division method. 4 1 is 4. This is our 4. 5 minus 4 is our 1. Okay, 6 will become here. This is our 6. 4 4 just 16. This is our 16. Here will be remainder is what? 0 0. Okay, this is our way. We have to solve this example. It means that here will be 42 is our girls and 14 is our boys. Okay, this all our example is are based on the example based on the fraction. This words problem is are based on the fraction. Okay, hope so everyone student understood the concepts of the words problem. These are used the words problem based on the fraction. We have to use the simple multiplication and the division also. And the next topic we will start from the next of this video, and have a nice day.